of the storm.
狂风暴雨，雷电交加，民众直击龙卷风来势汹汹，甚至有小型屋棚整个被吹翻，撞上卡车才停下。
This is really bad. This is the main street in Menasha.
美国威斯康星州周一遭到龙卷风肆虐，美国国家气象局形容极度危险，造成车辆翻覆、电线杆倒塌、树木被连根拔起或拦腰折断，房屋也被彻底摧毁，满目疮痍。
I thought I was going to drown. I'm like, oh my God, the water just started raising up. I didn't know where the water's coming from. We can't see where the water's coming from. It just started rising up all of a sudden. I'm like, oh my God.
强烈雷暴伴随破坏性强风，也席卷伊利诺州和印第安纳州，加上威斯康星州3州共超过39万户停电，当地发布多项警报，甚至可能出现大型冰雹及洪灾。
If you are not a resident or do not need to be in the area, you please stay away. Right now, there are many down power lines, down trees, multiple hazardous situations, so please stay out.
当地政府表示，正在处理大量求助通报，敦促居民待在室内。气象专家也提醒，异常强烈的风暴系统滞留，预料多地还将迎来坏天气。三立新闻陈佩报道。